Hello friends, we will see in this series of lecture how to find the angle between two given lines and the perpendicular distance of a point from a given line. See, if two lines are there and their slopes are m1 and m2, then the angle between them is given as tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Modulus, if you are not conversant with the modulus, not a problem at all. What you write, you just write plus minus. Why are we taking two angles? Because you just see that in two lines, two angles are there. One angle is this and one angle is this. So by means of this, we will be finding the two angles between two given lines. This is very important formula. What result we are deriving? That if two lines are parallel, what is the angle between them? That is going to be, of course, 0 degree. So if we put tan theta is equal to 0 degree, what does this giving us? m1 is equal to m2. So condition of parallelism is, that means two lines will be parallel if m1 is equal to m2. Now you see, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, what does this mean? Theta is going to be 90 degree. What does this mean? Theta, tan 90 degree is infinity. So the denominator part, this is for perpendicularism. m1 plus 1 plus m1 into m2 is going to be 0, the denominator part, and which is giving us m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. These two important results we are deriving here. So if we have to find slope of a given line which is parallel to given line, we can directly take the slope of that line as the slope of the required line. But if we have to find the slope of a line which is perpendicular to given line, we can just write m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. How we just write it? That is negative reciprocal of slope of one line. Okay, so if the slope of a given line is 3, then the slope of a line which is perpendicular to that will be negative reciprocal 1 by 3. If the slope is 5 by 3, the slope of a line which is perpendicular to that will be negative reciprocal minus 3 by 5. So you can easily find the slope of a line which is perpendicular to a given line. No need of just performing this operation. You directly can find the slope of a given line. Now we will see length of perpendicular of a point from a given line. Suppose a line is in this fashion, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and on that line we are dropping a perpendicular from a point x1 comma y1. Then the length of perpendicular is given as a x1. What you have to do for x and y, you write the coordinates of the point from where we are dropping the perpendicular. So it is coming out to be b y1 plus c. What we did for x, I wrote the coordinate of the given point as x1, for y, that y1, divided by under root a square plus b square. What is a and b? A is actually the coefficient of x and b is actually the coefficient of y. This is the length of perpendicular. Very important. Length of perpendicular from a point on a given line. Suppose a line I am taking in this fashion, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. And I have to drop a perpendicular from the point 1 comma 2 on this line. What will be that? I told you the technique. You just write for x the coordinate of the point x coordinate, that is 1, plus for y you write the coordinate y, that is coming out to be 2 minus 5. You just write the equation as it is, but only you have to replace the coordinates of x and y by x1, y1. Divided by under root coefficient of x square, that is 3 square, and coefficient of y square, that is 4 square. So you just put the modulus sign, because if somehow the length is coming out to be negative, we can take the positive thing out of it because length is positive. Okay, so what it is coming out to be, see here, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6, divided by 3 square 9 plus 16 25 by 5. So the length of perpendicular from this point on this line is just 6 by 5. Hope these two basic concepts you are understanding. Thank you.
For useful videos, log on to my channel Santosh Membi on YouTube or directly go to my website www.mathsonphone.com. Thank you.